everyone, it's a blessing to be here at Eat Good TV. Today we are making fried plantain. Here are the ingredients we need. We need our plantain and our oil. And this is coconut oil. You can use any oil of your choice. I'm just going to pour the oil in the pot on a medium heat. Place your plantain in the pot. Make sure the oil is hot. And when it's golden on one side, you flip it over to the next side. I'll show you. Once they are golden on one side, just flip them over. And you have to watch them because plantain burn easily. So you have to really, see, they burn easily. So you have to stay and watch them. But they're nice and golden. I like them a little golden, nice and dark and golden. So you just flip them over. Now that they are golden on both sides, remove them from the pot. For our dumpling, these are the ingredients we need. We need flour, and this is self-rising flour. We need oil, baking powder, water, and salt. And for the self-rising flour, I sieve it. I sift the flour so that it can be, the dumpling can be light and fluffy. So I sift the flour. And I'm going to add the salt, the baking powder. So I add a teaspoon of baking powder. And I'm going to add the salt. Like a half a teaspoon of salt. If you need more, you can put it. I'm just putting a half a teaspoon of salt. And the bottle is spinning, but it's not a lot of salt coming out. So just half a teaspoon of salt. And then you're going to add the water gradually. You just add the water gradually as you go. You add water. And then you just mix it. And you're just mixing it to form a dough. And this is 3 cups of flour. And we want our dumpling to be nice and fluffy. So we're not going to really knead them. It's not like making cooked dumpling. We need it to be light, airy and fluffy. So we just knead it. And that's 3 cups of flour, it's a cup of water. And you want it to be nice and airy. Nice and light and fluffy and airy. And then we're just going to roll them and put them in the... I'm just going to break them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, around 6. And I'm going to roll them and I'm going to put them all in the pot at the same time. So they fry at the same time. So I just roll them into ball and I just place them into some flour there so that they don't stick on the bowl. I'm just going to put them all in the pot. And once it's golden on one side, you just put them on the next side. But they're nice and fluffy. Because you sieve the flour and you add it's self-rising and you add baking powder to it. So it's going to be nice and fluffy. Fluffy dumpling. I'm going to have it with ackee and saltfish. And this is self-rising flour. So once it's golden on one side, I'm going to turn it over. Put the stove on medium heat, and then they're golden, you're just going to flip them over. Once they're golden, you just flip it over. And once it's golden on the next side, you just remove them. Now that it's golden on both sides, you're going to remove it from the pan. So we're just going to remove it and put it over here with the plantain. And there it is. I'm going to just break one open for you so you can see it. I know it's hot. I'm just going to open one for you to show you. See how it is? And it's very crispy. Very crispy, and inside is totally baked. So I just open this one to show you. And see, it is nice and crispy. I'm going to have a piece. Delicious. Nice and crispy and crunchy. See? Very nice. There you have it, family, your plantain and fried dumpling. Fried plantain and fried dumpling. Bye from Egood TV. Love you. Wish you all the best. Bye.